For example 2, now we want to solve the side. So again, we're still talking about SOHCAHTOA, so I always like writing that up at the top of my paper. So for this first one, again, I always look at my angle. Here, the angle they give me is this 27.45 degrees. Now, if I look at the side lines here, this x is going to be opposite of that angle. And then this side right here is right next to it, but it's not the hypotenuse, so that's going to be our adjacent side. So if I have O and then A, I'm going to go over to SOHCAHTOA and see which one S, C, or T has an O and an A, and that's going to be my T for tangent. So when I set this up, I'm going to do tangent of my angle, so tangent of 27.45 degrees equals my O, my opposite, x, over my adjacent, 50.45. Then what we're going to do is we're going to multiply by our denominator. So I'm going to multiply by 50.45 to get rid of our denominator. Multiply over here by 50.45. So when I rewrite this, I'm going to get 50.45 tan of 27.45. And then we can enter that equals x. We can enter that into our calculator. So let's grab our calculator here. So we do 50.45. We'll move this over. We don't need it right now. 50.45 tan of 27.45. And again, make sure you're in degree mode because you're using degrees. And that gives us about 26.2. So our x is 26.2. Oops, 26.2. Not degrees, because it's a side length. There we go. All right, so that was A. Now B is going to be the same thing. So if I look at B, I'm given 20 degrees, and then that side across from it is my opposite. The x is right next to it as my adjacent. So when I set this up, I'm going to have opposite adjacent, which again is tan. So tan of 20 equals my opposite, which is 10, over my adjacent, which is x. Now, I have x in my denominator, but we're still going to multiply by that denominator. So in this case, I'm going to multiply by x, which is a little bit weird, but that's okay. I'm going to multiply by x over here to even it out. Then I have x tan 20 equals 10. Now I still want x by itself, and right now tan 20 is like right next to it, so that means the x and the tan 20 are being multiplied. So I'm going to divide by tan 20 to get that x by itself, and now I have x equals 10 divided by tan of 20, so let's grab our calculator. So 10 divided by tan of 20, and that gives us 27.5 if we round up. So 27.5.